Hello everyone, what's up? So in this video I'm going to be doing a comparison video. I have Honor 7X, as you guys can see on the left, Mi A1 and Honor 9 Lite, and let's see what happens. I already done the unboxing and many speed tests as well. So yeah, let's quickly power them on. Here we go, Honor 7X as well. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So we'll check out the Geekbench score, fingerprint sensor as well, and other sensor present as well. So let's see what happens in the boot up test. And of course, after the update, Mi A1 has improved. And let's see what happens here. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do it, and also hit that notification bell. Let's see what happens here. Okay, so Mi A1 first, and Honor 9 Lite second, and Honor 7X last. What's going on? That was not expected. Okay, so anyways, let's go to settings first of all, and about phone as well on Honor 7X. So on Honor 9 Lite as well. So as you guys can see that Mi A1 has got the stable Oreo update, and Honor 9 Lite of course come Oreo out of the box, but Honor 7X is still running Nougat. And just keep in mind the test I did with the Honor 7X and Honor 9 Lite, that Honor 7X was running Nougat. So it's not Oreo, but it will get Oreo update pretty soon. So let's quickly check out the sensors, and you will see that you pretty much get every key sensor that you need. Or Honor 7X didn't came with gyroscope sensor, but it has got the gyroscope sensor after the update. So yeah, sensor wise no problem. And you might see that they are written in different orders, but if you have a look, they are really similar. I mean, I don't see any difference sensor wise. So yeah, I think sensor wise there shouldn't be any problem. So yeah, let's move on to the Geekbench score, and I'll start the Geekbench score, and I'll quickly fast forward this process, and here we go. So finally it has completed, guys, and starting with Honor 7X 918 single core, Mi A1 827, and Honor 9 Lite tops with 947, and which is really amazing. And Honor 7X takes the second spot with 918, and Mi A1 last with 827. So and if you talk about the multi-core score, 3594, Mi A1 4185, and Honor 9 Lite 3765. So when it comes to multi-score, you'll see that Mi A1 has the multi-score. And if you keep Honor 9 Lite and Honor 7X side by side, you will see that 9 Lite is ahead on both single core score or multi-core score. So yeah, Honor 9 Lite tops with 947 in single core. And if you talk about a multi-core score, obviously Mi A1 4185. So yes, it is what it is. So yeah, we are going to be checking out the fingerprint sensor. So yeah, let's quickly move to that, and I'm going to be keeping Mi A1 to the side, and we'll start with Honor 7X and Honor 9 Lite, and let's see what happens. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's pretty tough. I think they're equal. Again, one final time. So yeah, they are pretty much similar, and if you're thinking why I kept Mi A1 to the side, this is the reason, because it is not really fast when it comes to fingerprint. It is accurate but not really fast. Since I've already done the speed test, so no need of launching apps and games, or we can actually launch one game just for fun. So the game is Temple Run. Hope I get it right on the first attempt. Yes, I did. And if you wanted to check out the speed test, I have done all the speed tests with these devices. You can check that out on my channel. Let's see what happens here. Okay, Honor 7X looks like we'll win it. And what happens? Okay, so Honor 7X and Honor 9 Lite Mi A1, it was, I mean, really close, but I think I got it right. So yeah, guys, that pretty much wraps it up. I have to do a lot more videos from these devices, but that's pretty much it in this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do it. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and yeah, like, subscribe, share, and as always, peace out.